What's up, guys? We're all here with the Seat Shop, and today we're going to be going over color match. One of the things we hear the most is that the cover you receive doesn't quite have the shine or the sheen that your original one does. Reason being is that your original cover actually is accumulating a bunch of the oil from your skin and stuff, and if you've never cleaned it, it's essentially like you've never washed your hands or you only use lotion instead of just washing your hands, which is kind of gross if you think about it. So we definitely recommend you cleaning it before comparing, and what we use here is Chamberlain's cleaner. We carry a cleaner and conditioner. What I did was I took some of the cleaner and I cleaned half of this cover here. Here I have a sample of the original new medium pebble, and as you can see, it's gonna match the clean side way better than it is the dirty side. Again, we carry both. We carry one. If you've never cleaned before, you're probably gonna wanna use just the cleaner at first. Or if you do a good job of maintaining your vehicle, use the cleaner and conditioner. It's got a UV protectant in it. It does a great job and it smells awesome, and it's all natural.